Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. This is the Apeks Nitrox DB4 first aid. So this is a Nitrox version of the DB4, which is a kind of upgraded version of the DS4 first stage. So as you can tell from its bright green and yellow design, it's pretty obvious that it's the Nitrox version, so you can't mix it up with the standard version. Because it's Nitrox version, it's made in a super clean environment. It uses special O-rings and special greases to make sure that it can take oxygen percentages up to 100%. And as such, it will come fitted with a M26 thread on the DIN screw thread. Only available in DIN. This is very similar to the DS4. You've got one high pressure port on one side with two low pressure ports, and then just two low pressure ports on the other side. It's very compact. This basically evolved from the Expedition version of the DS4. They made a couple improvements. The first one is this over-moulded sort of end cap sort of bumper. So this acts as a bit of protection and also the environmental seal. So big and tough. Just below that, we also have a real big heat sink. So that improves the cold water performance, just absorbing some of the warmth from the water around you to prevent it and sort of slow the freezing up. And it has a kind of matte finish to it. This is overbalanced diaphragm, so it actually gets, or it can deliver more gas the deeper down you go. So if anything happens down at the bottom with your buddy, it will be able to deliver enough gas, even if someone's really huffing and puffing and gives you sort of needs a lot of gas. So one of the ports will always just have one of these sort of basic plugs. It won't come with that port plug because it needs to have one open. If you do put a port plug in there and pressurize it, you'll never get it off the cylinder. You'll have to drill it off. But it's a smart little first stage. It's designed to work with the XL4 second stage. But you can use this on single cylinders, you can use it on twin cylinders or stage cylinders. The hose routing is very smart for both the high pressure and the low pressures. It's got everything that you need in a small, compact little state. This is the Apeks DS4 first stage. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.